Best small car for 2025 to 2024 Nissan Sentra. As we head into 2025, the 2024 Nissan Sentra has been acclaimed as the best small car for the year, blending style, comfort, and advanced technology in a compact, affordable package. Known for its reliability and modern features, the latest Sentra model continues to impress with its enhanced performance and user-focused design. Efficient performance and handling. The 2024 Nissan Sentra is powered by a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, producing 149 horsepower and 146 lb-ft of torque. This engine is paired with a continuously variable transmission, CVT, which provides smooth and efficient acceleration. The Sentra's handling is agile and responsive, making it well-suited for both city driving and highway cruising. The car's suspension is finely tuned to balance comfort and control, ensuring a pleasant driving experience. The Sentra also offers commendable fuel efficiency, with an estimated 33 miles per gallon combined. This makes it an excellent choice for daily commutes and long journeys, providing substantial savings at the pump and minimizing environmental impact. Modern design and interior comfort. The 2024 Sentra features a sleek and modern design, with a bold front grille, sharp LED headlights, and a streamlined profile that enhances its aerodynamic efficiency. The rear of the vehicle is characterized by distinctive LED taillights and a refined rear bumper, giving the Sentra a contemporary and dynamic appearance. Inside, the Sentra offers a spacious and well-appointed cabin, designed with both driver and passenger comfort in mind. The interior is equipped with high-quality materials and a thoughtful layout. The standard 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless integration with smartphones for navigation, music, and communication. Higher trims offer additional amenities such as leather upholstery, a premium audio system, and a larger 10.1-inch touchscreen. Advanced technology and safety features. The 2024 Nissan Sentra comes equipped with Nissan Safety Shield 360 Suite, which includes a comprehensive range of driver assistance technologies. Standard features include automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and lane departure warning. These systems work together to enhance safety and driver confidence on the road. Additional available features include adaptive cruise control and rear automatic braking, further improving the Sentra's safety capabilities. Market impact and availability. The 2024 Nissan Sentra has been well received for its blend of performance, comfort, and advanced features. Its competitive pricing and high value make it a strong contender in the compact car segment. Available at Nissan dealerships nationwide, the Sentra continues to attract drivers looking for a reliable, stylish, and well-equipped small car. Conclusion. The 2024 Nissan Sentra stands out as the best small car for 2025, offering an impressive mix of efficient performance, modern design, and advanced safety features. With its appealing driving experience, stylish appearance, and comprehensive technology, the Sentra delivers a compelling choice for today's drivers seeking a top-notch compact vehicle.